Ready, salute.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, THS, and this is your Turlock Today for March the 9th, 2021. Sunday is Daylight Savings Time. Make sure that you spring ahead. THS, make your voice heard. Go take a short survey on your advisement classroom now. Clubs. This week, Tuesday, ASL Club will be meeting and BSU. Wednesday, Choir, First Priority, Math, NJRTC, Chess Club, and Progressive students will be meeting. Thursday, Drama, HLC, HOSA, and Key Club will be meeting. And this Friday, BSU and Spikeball Club will be meeting. Speaking of clubs, Breakfast Club is back on Fridays. Check your email for an invite. Didn't get one? You can still join. Send an email to Mr. Fetter or Mrs. Cullum for more information. Seniors, save the date. Saturday, May 8th for Senior Prom. Details to come. College and career. Do you have questions about anything college or career related? Join a drop-in Zoom session on Thursday, March the 11th from 2 to 3. Are you interested in dual enrollment? There's dual enrollment information and sign-up workshop today, March the 9th from 2 to 3 p.m. And finally, MJC Ed Plan Makeup Workshops are this Friday from 10 a.m., 12 p.m., and 2 p.m. All Zoom meeting links will be found in your Counseling Bitmoji office. Athletics. Low-cost physicals will be held on June the 2nd at THS. Cost is $25. The Turlock FFA is having a drive-through barbecue fundraiser this Tuesday, that's today, March the 9th, at the Ram Farms. Tickets are $30 and include a whole cooked tri-tip, a large bag of salad, 4 baked potatoes, and 6 dinner rolls. Purchase a ticket from any FFA student or at the THS web store. THS and JRTC is selling caramel apples. There are links in your Google Classroom to order. Over and out, Bulldogs. Have a wonderful day.